Is your silhouette being dramatic this holiday season? Well, I have 5 super quick and easy tips for you that you can try. These aren't the deep dive into helping you cut better. That's inside my Confident Cuts course. But these little tips and tricks will definitely help you finish your holiday crafts. So let's go ahead and dive in. Tip number 1. If you're experiencing fuzzy edges or cuts like this here, usually this happens with glitter cardstock or kind of the metallic cardstock that we use a lot during the holiday season. The things that you need to do for this is to lower your speed. So let me show you how you can do that. So here we are in Silhouette Studio. I'm going to come over to the sun panel. However you are cutting, you can be cutting standard, or if you're doing multiple things, you would do cut by line color. But no matter how you want to do it, you want to go ahead and turn down the speed. So your speed setting is right here. And typically I cut around a 4, but if you're having issues like that, I would turn that speed down, and then that should help you make those edges a little bit more crisp. So now for tip number 2. Cuts aren't going all the way through. Yeah, I struggled with this one for a long time, especially when you're cutting thicker material. So the best thing that you can do for that is to go ahead and add a second pass. So let me show you how to do that. So here, to do your second pass, right here you have passes. So it's already set for 1. You can just increase this arrow. You can do as many passes as you need. Usually a second pass will get the job done. And again, if you're using thicker material, it may already adjust to 2 passes for you. Tip numero 3. Are you having trouble with your registration marks reading? Especially common if you're using like a shiny sticker paper or a glittery paper of some sort. Those registration marks can be really difficult to read. So what you can do, this is not the best thing, but it'll help in a pinch. Grab a Sharpie marker, trace over those registration marks with your marker. That'll help cut down on some of that sheen, and that should make your registration marks a little bit easier to read. And if that doesn't do the trick, there is something else that you can do. So let me show you here. When you have your print and cuts, we'll enable our registration marks. The other thing you can do, if you're going to go ahead and do it again, is right here is your length. You can see when I do that, you see how these are getting longer. So you can make the length a little bit better, and then you can also increase the thickness right here on your page. You see how those got a bit thicker? So there's 2 ways that you can help make those registration marks a little bit easier to read. Tip numero 4. Are you having trouble with your auto blade not getting to the right blade depth? This one's a really common thing that can happen. And it's usually a really quick fix because it's probably happening because your blade is not seated all the way into the carriage. And let me show you what I mean. So you can see here how my blade is all the way in. This little ridge here is all the way flush with the pink. So what could happen is if it's lifted up even just ever so slightly, it could be slightly lifted like that, and you're still able to click it in there, but it's not seated all the way down. So then it's not going to adjust your auto blade like it's supposed to. So you do want to make sure you push that all the way down so it's seated flush with the carriage, and then clip that in, and that should fix that problem for you. And your 5th and final tip is if you're having scratch or drag lines on your cardstock or any of your material, but this especially happens when you're using like a foil material, or even if you're getting drag lines while you're trying to sketch something, you need to turn down your force. So let me show you how to do that. So back here on our send panel, you've got your force number right here. Here's your little arrows, and you just want to turn down that force. and that'll make it a lot easier to cut smoothly and then get rid of those drag lines for you. So there are 5 tips for you to make your cutting jobs this holiday season a little bit easier. These are the most common things that I hear about, and I've given you some quick fixes, so hopefully those fixes will help you get through your holiday cutting season. And if you were ready for a deep dive into your cut settings, check out my Confident Cuts course. It's a course you can finish in an afternoon, but it will really dive deep into how to adjust your cut settings to get those perfect smooth cuts that we all dream about every day. So the link's here, and I'll leave the link down in the description for you. And before you go, check out these videos over here. I think you'll enjoy watching those next. That's what I have for you today. I'll see you later. Bye for now.